Black granite, 7 irresistible benefits for kitchen countertops. Dear friends, granite is one of the most common options for kitchen countertops that gives a sense of grandeur. This natural stone is strong, available in various styles, and requires little maintenance. Granite is available in many hues, such as blue, black, red, pink, white, etc. But black granite would be the best option to add a classy touch to your kitchen. The benefits of having this material as a countertop in your kitchen are discussed in this video. 1. Low maintenance. The fact that it requires sealing, it is still a low-maintenance material than any other material. This natural stone is low maintenance because other materials require more sealing. Also, once sealed, it is very easy to clean this material. You just have to wash the surface with dish soap. 2. Cost-effective. Though granite is a bit expensive material, it's worth installing on your kitchen countertop. Its durability is matchless, and you will have a beautiful-looking countertop for years to come. 3. Stain-resistant. If properly sealed and maintained, this natural material is stain-resistant. If spills and stains are cleaned up as soon as they happen, the countertop's surface should continue to be spotless. 4. Versatile. This natural material is a versatile option, which means it complements well with any kitchen style, whether modern or traditional. It also goes well with different materials, including wood, stainless steel, or any other material used in your kitchen. You can also incorporate different kitchen flooring ideas that complement the granite countertops perfectly. 5. Increases home value. The fact that a black granite kitchen countertop increases the value of your house is a benefit that is frequently neglected. Having a property that is more valued than the others is always more practical, regardless of whether you want to sell it or not. 6. Durable. The durability of black granite is one of its many benefits, making it a top choice for high-traffic areas like kitchen and bathroom counters. It can withstand normal wear and tear. 7. Easy cleaning. Another great benefit of installing this material in your kitchen is that this natural stone for your home can easily be cleaned. You need soapy water and a fresh cloth to get rid of all the dust and stains. Conclusion. These are the benefits that will let you add black granite to your list for your house. Not just for kitchen countertops, this natural stone is an excellent option for flooring as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.